In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to Notion. This simple yet powerful feature can help you stay organized and keep track of your events and tasks directly within your Notion workspace. Let's start by opening Notion. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page where you want the calendar to live. It could be a workspace specifically dedicated to planning or a personal dashboard where you track all your important events. With your designated page open, we're ready to get started. Now, you'll need to type the command to initiate the calendar setup. Simply type "or calendar" and line into the page. As you do, you'll see an option appear. Go ahead and select it. This command quickly sets up an embedded calendar right within your chosen Notion page, seamlessly integrating into the existing content. Once your calendar is embedded, you can immediately begin organizing your schedule. Notion makes it remarkably easy to start adding events and tasks directly into your calendar. Simply click on the date you want to plan something and you'll be prompted to create an event. You can specify details such as the event title, start and end times, and any other information you need. With everything saved in one place, managing your schedule becomes much more efficient. The final touch is all about customization, which is one of Notion's standout features. You have the ability to tailor your calendar according to your personal preference or style. Maybe you prefer color coding different types of events, or perhaps you'd like to adjust the calendar view. Whatever your needs may be, Notion provides ample flexibility. Explore the customization options to make the calendar truly yours. Whether it's tweaking the appearance or organizing by specific categories, customization helps ensure that your Notion calendar perfectly complements the way you work and plan. And there you have it, a complete guide on embedding a calendar into Notion. It's a straightforward process that enriches your workspace, bringing your schedule directly into the heart of your daily planning routine. Not only are you able to see all your events and tasks at a glance, but the simplicity of adding and editing events directly into Notion enhances productivity and streamlines organization. So go ahead, open Notion, and set up your calendar today to keep your life organized and your plans on track.